In this video, we go over everything we know about the DJI Mavic 3, including a release date, the features it's going to have, and more. So definitely make sure you watch all the way to the very end. Before we get into the actual topic of today's video, I want to tell you guys about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that allows you to grow your YouTube channel quicker, so definitely make sure you check out that in the link in the description below. But let's jump into the video. So the DJI Mavic 3 is right around the corner. I've made several videos about its release, and we've gotten so many rumors that I want to make a video basically recapping everything and sharing some new information that you guys may not know. So like I said, make sure you watch all the way to the very end, and if you enjoy today's video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. We've seen a lot of exciting products be released from DJI within the last year, including the DJI FPV drone and the DJI Air 2S, which both of these drones can give us hints of what is to come. We know that the Mavic 3 is most likely going to have OcuSync 3.0, just like the FPV drone and the Air 2S, which is going to dramatically improve the connection that you get with the drone. We're also expecting an 8K resolution. Yes, an 8K resolution. So that's going to be incredible for filmmakers like myself. In fact, with Apple's new iMac, in their advertisements, they advertise that you can edit 8K video on it. I do plan on upgrading my Mac potentially this year when the new MacBook Pros come out. So that's exciting that I'll be able to take advantage of the 8K video on potentially my new Mac, but that's a whole other topic. All I really wanted was 4K at 60 frames per second, but I'll definitely take 8K. Since DJI did buy Hasselblad, we should still continue to see that Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3. There are a couple of names that I've heard out there, including the Pro 3, or the Mavic 3 Pro. So basically names that we've already heard before. We've actually seen DJI drop the Mavic name from drones like the Air 2S and also the Mini 2. So we actually may see them drop the Mavic name with the Mavic 3 Pro. We'll have to wait and see on that one. Now, in the last few months, we've also seen some parts leak, including the shell of the drone. So we've seen like the side profile of the main shell. That told us that the battery is going to slide in from the back. Now we're seeing a piece of the top shell. Right now, the battery slides in on the Mavic 2 from the top, and now that we're seeing this picture of the top shell, it is confirming that we're going to have a battery that slides in through the back. We've also seen a picture showing the propellers in the front being inverted, so instead of being on the top, they're toward the bottom now, kind of like the Sky Duo. That's just because they want to fit sensors on both arms, so by inverting the propellers, you make room for those sensors. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about that design, but that's just something that I wanted to bring up in this video. Now, here's one thing that I haven't talked about in my other rumors videos that I haven't really seen much talk about in general, but what is the artificial intelligence going to be like with this drone? Now, for people that use DJI drones, you've probably used features like Active Track. It's not very good compared to a drone like the Sky Duo. It's actually pretty bad, and I wouldn't recommend using it at all. I never really use Active Track or the automated features on the Mavic 2, but with enhanced AI on the Mavic 3, we could see these features become more and more reliable. Seeing how Sky Duo has done this so well, I definitely feel like DJI is about to come out of the park swinging with this one, because they really don't have a choice. They want to make this drone more attractive than the Sky Duo and the Evos. So what's the best way to do that? Excellent AI, great picture and video quality. So that's what I think that we're gonna see. I really think that the Mavic 3 is gonna be the perfect drone. The Mavic 2 Pro was really close to being the perfect drone. If they can make those improvements and fulfill people's wish lists of what they wanted on the Mavic 2, I think that they're gonna definitely have a very solid drone. Now, before I wrap up the video, let's talk about a release date, because I know a lot of you are probably wondering when you will be able to get your hands on this drone. So according to this article from Drone DJ, we should be seeing the drone around Q3, which puts us in the ballpark of July through the end of September. Personally, that would be amazing if we saw the drone in that time frame. That's right around the corner, but there's a very real chance that we won't see the drone until Q4, which would put us at the end of this year. Either way, it's very exciting. I know my Mavic 2 Pro is still an excellent machine, and if I had to use it for another year, I'm sure I wouldn't have a problem with that, neither would my clients, but I'm really excited about new technology and being able to bring my level of production up a notch, and I'm sure you guys are too. The Mavic 2 Pro has been an incredible machine for professionals. In fact, I have heard people say that they like their Mavic 2s better than their Inspires, and the Inspire is very expensive. If they could put Inspire-like features, just all the features that we wanted in the Mavic 2 on the Mavic 3, it's gonna be golden, and I'm really excited for it. So definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I make new videos. I'm definitely getting this drone as soon as it comes out, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel if you want coverage on it. I know I'm not the biggest YouTuber, but I've been flying drones since 2015. I have extensive knowledge of DJI products because they're the main tool that I use in my business. Any major DJI release is really exciting, but this one is definitely the most exciting for me personally because of how powerful of a tool the Mavic 2 has been for me. So I'm super excited to see what's in store with the Mavic 3. Definitely make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.